Hey, Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Queen and Clarence. I'm sorry. Let's get into it.
I feel like we need to tell them. Because it's kind of sad news, but it's what's best for us. We're probably not going to...
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I know y'all probably missed me a little bit. I wasn't in the last video that much, you know what I'm saying, because Queen wanted to do her thing with that cleaning vid. Something she always wanted to do. I don't know why she always wanted to do a cleaning vid, but she be watching those on YouTube. She got that done, you know what I'm saying. Shout out to Queen. As y'all see from the back right here, we got...
Okay, first of all, I see that Clare got his Petty Fam sunglasses on. Hey, bruh. I see you, bruh. I see you.
Mad stuff in the back. There's tons of toys.
No, that's great. I'm glad that they giving those toys away to people who really need it.
There's colorful balls, paws right there. Like, there's just mad shit back there. The Jeep is also full. If I would show y'all, the Jeep is full too. It's filled with toys, posters, there's tables, mats, all of those things. We're going 2 cars full. We're going to try to find a little shelter or a missionary or a church or something. We were just going to go and give it to the Goodwill, but we know the Goodwill is going to turn around and try to sell it. And we want to just bless people and kids with them. Like, we don't want people paying for them. You know what I'm saying? Because that's the whole point. I think our kids is very blessed. And they kind of take them for granted. You know what I'm saying? But they kind of take it for granted because they be on their iPad and shit. They don't even be worried about the toys, really.
Ready?
Yeah, I started the vlog already.
Okay, good. I'm going to pull up before you. I'm going to get the address.
All right.
And then follow me.
Before we get into this video, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all hit that like and follow button and make sure them post notifications, because like if them post notifications are not on, like what are you doing? Like, you need to know when we drop. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like
that part, you need to know when we drop. So like, post notifications, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We appreciate you. We love you, Petty Fam.
Duh. When we drop, you gotta stay in tune.
Patty.
What's up, you guys? So, we are at this place, this ministry that accepts toys and things like that. Uh-oh. The basket was running into the car. But as you guys can see, they're taking the toys and stuff right now. Clarence is about to unload. So I'm going to just set the camera right here.
Nice. I'm glad y'all donated to a ministry because they know who needs it, and people usually come to them for stuff.
Now with Clarence, you guys, and we are making a second trip. We went home and got some shoes and some clothes and like a few other things. I'm really glad.
She look cute with her little baseball hat. You see it? I see it. Y'all look like, you know, I like the little look. He got his hat on. She got her hat on. Okay.
We found a place now that anything that we want to just give away, we can give it away, and people will have it for free.
Yeah, I was telling them that.
Yeah. Oh, well, great minds think alike. So that's what we're doing. I know Clarence said he had to make a couple of errands. Wait, but don't you gotta go in the mall for Bath and Body Works?
Nah, there's one 4 minutes from us.
Oh, so we don't gotta go in the mall?
Nah.
Oh, it's on and popping. I be avoiding a lot of things, like not getting things, because I feel like I have to go into the mall.
It's exactly where Lululemon is. I heard the Lululemon boxers is fire.
The panties is too. The thongs and stuff. They're really comfortable. Yeah. Remember, I was walking in the bathroom. He was like, "You got Lululemon drawers?" Yeah. You don't? No. You said you got Lululemon panties? It was like weeks ago. But yeah. So that's what we're doing. I want to eat.
Yeah, we gotta get some food too. I'm hungry.
Eat I'm starving. Not
Yeah, we had a
starving.
lot to do. I wanted to go. I wanted to take you to the movies.
You want to take me to movies?
I know there was a movie you wanted to see, but I want to see Creed.
Oh, I want to see Creed too. We can see the other one
Michael
another
B.
time.
Jordan.
I wanted to see this movie called Left Behind, y'all.
Left Behind.
Left Behind.
Have you seen the previews to this to the movie Cocaine Bear? It's like the bear on coke, and he's like attacking.
No.
I think I want to see that too.
What? Oh my gosh. Y'all leave Yogi out of this. Yogi ain't supposed to be getting high.
Cocaine Bear?
Yeah.
Somebody hot had to make that.
Right.
First of all, I just want to say we are matched.
I like the mansion. They got the shoes. Y'all see the shoes? Oh, I love the coupleness.
And I think it's cute. We both got Rick's. And we're going to Cabo. You guys never heard of
Okay, hold the door open.
Cabo? Really, really good. Hi.
How you doing?
They're really, really good. It's like the Mediterranean style Chipotle. You doing a bowl, babe? Hi. You want to go first?
Yeah, I'll go first.
Yeah,
Can I
I'm
get a
going.
bowl? Rice.
I'm gonna do a bowl too.
Alright.
Bowl with rice.
You'll be vlogging?
Yeah. I'll do a little bit less rice than him though.
Am I good?
Can I do extra rice?
Yeah.
Oh, extra rice. Yeah. I'll do the tzatziki.
Yeah.
I want to do a little tzatziki and a little red pepper hummus.
Can I do a crazy feta too?
Wait,
Yeah.
fiddle with jalapeno, onion, olive oil. Ooh, that sounds good.
You want to do some of that?
Just a little bit. I know I want this. I want the harissa honey chicken. Which one is this spicy chicken?
That's
Yeah. We want that. That one's so good.
For you?
Same thing.
Same thing?
What is that right there?
This?
Look-
Spicy lamb?
The other
Oh,
one.
braised lamb.
Okay, no, I'm good.
That's
on
probably
that.
good.
It look good though.
You guys can try it if you want.
We could try a little piece?
Yeah.
Come on, let's try lamb.
Is it good? Chicken.
We could try a little lamb. Go ahead. Try it first. You like it?
It's good.
It's good. The lamb. Cute little lamb. This is what we ended up getting.
That was good. I'm about to try a couple, y'all.
Rice, chicken.
Thank you, Queen and Claire. See, you be learning stuff. You watch stuff. You learn stuff.
And a bunch of other stuff that you see. Clarence is, he's just such a saucy man. He loves his sauces. This drink is busting. It's like cucumber, lime, mint, or whatever. But them pita chips smell amazing. What the heck? Ooh, you got these ones? Can I have one? Mmm. Y'all, these are amazing. Did you put me on cover?
Hell yeah.
Okay, I will say this. I knew about. Let him pray. I actually walked into Kava with my makeup artist t-shirt. She said it was so good. She tried to put me on, and I was just like,
No, it's okay.
I don't know. I don't know why I did. But then he brought it to the house, and it just looked so good. I was like, okay.
Yo, your man be putting you on stuff. If he wanted, you be like, oh, okay, I'll try it.
I'm gonna try it.
I spoke very highly of it. Like, I'm like, nah, baby, for real, like, it's fire. That's why I got tired of it though. I don't like when I do that. When I find something I like,
Keep eating it.
I eat
every
it
day.
every day, and then it's like I get tired of it.
But obviously, there's music playing. I don't want to get copyrighted. I was gonna tell y'all about the house or whatever, but I think we'll wait.
Don't get us copyrighted.
Just wanted to show y'all we're eating, and that's that. My head, babe. We'll be right over here in this corner making a movie. Don't do that.
You're so fun.
You're so fine. Okay, let me turn off this camera. You about to do a little mini photo shoot.
Let's trade cookies, Mom.
You got a burnt cookie though. We just picked up the kids.
Mommy.
School cookies be bomb.
Hey, kiddos. Hey, CJ. Hey, Legend. What's up, poo-poos?
They eat it.
I don't think he like chocolate.
Oh, you got it.
Legend, you gonna talk to the camera?
Yes.
What you gonna say?
Cheese.
Look at the children, y'all. We got rid of all y'all toys today.
Wow.
Yep, all the toys are gone.
My soccer ball, mommy.
What?
My soccer ball too.
Yep, I got rid of all the soccer balls.
All soccer balls.
Because we felt like some kids deserve it that, you know,
Go to mine.
like to play soccer.
Tell me I'm pretty.
You're adorable. That's what you are.
Even when I wake up without no
Makeup.
All right. See, your brother got your back.
What car you said that was?
A Rolls Royce.
He said that's a Rolls Royce, Sean, over there.
That's a Chrysler 300, King.
No, it's not. It's a Rolls Royce.
It looked like one, Pooh. That Chrysler 300 was busting back in the day.
CJ, that's a Chrysler. Legend, sing it.
Pretty. Tell me I'm pretty.
Sing it, CJ. Sing it.
Tell me.
We're going to.
Pretty. Tell me I'm pretty. We got a bar to Noah.
You gonna open the door for mommy?
Yeah, so I can get some more.
Push open.
Go to the bar to Noah.
Ooh, it smells so good in here. It's always. Do you guys have kids though? CJ.
Our house smells nice.
No, it doesn't. Don't say that. Why would you say that? Watch your mouth. No, it doesn't.
See, that's what happened because it smells so pretty in there, though. You know.
Few moments later.
If I could have my house smelling like Bad Batty, like I be trying to burn my candle and stuff. It's like this red. Was it red tea dragon, something like that? That smells good. It just take over everything. But you know, on a regular basis in every room, boy.
Y'all, it's literally only been 5 minutes in here. I'm not going to the store to get. CJ told people our house stank and it don't. Legend was on the floor, so yeah, it's time to go. Come on, kids. So guys, we are just about to chill in bed. I feel like
We got some things to do.
yeah, we got some stuff to do. We need to we're not gonna keep this bed.
Yeah, we need to find a bed. We need an entry table.
An entry table, like
We
so
might
we
need
come in.
a live room table. Or whatever.
Yeah,
I don't
a
know.
rug, probably a rug first, and then a living room table. But I want an entry table, a really nice one. Like I don't know, like if I want a picture above it or a mirror. I think a mirror would be nice, like a circle mirror with like plants, a book. What's wrong, Legend? Oh, you hungry? What do you want to eat, baby? Well, I guess I'm not chilling. Huh? Huh? Cheetos. You want to order pizza? You want to order pizza?
Want pizza?
Okay, what do you want to eat? You gotta eat food, Legend.
See, Legend just a cute. He like, I really want some Cheetos though.
It's okay.
Yeah, he got blue chip, but he gonna be hungry in like 10 minutes.
CJ, you go get Legend some Cheeto Puffs. Anyway, we're not keeping this bed. I said already. So yeah, we're gonna look up some stuff or whatever for the house. A rug, entry table, mirror. The stuff to go on the entry table. And a bed. Those are things we need. And
We gotta get some Amazon stuff too. Legend, stay up here.
come upstairs. I feel like these not the best fruit snack ones.
It's the blue pack. It's the best one.
This one?
That's,
This one?
no, that's the tropical. That's tropical.
Yeah, that's tropical. I mean, I like the mixed berry one, the little purple one.
Tropical one.
Is there like a berry one? No, this is island fruit.
Yeah, I like the regular blue one. That's my favorite.
I want there's a berry one too, like a purple
The
pack.
purple pack, I don't like.
You don't like that one? I need to buy the other one. Oh, this is what I feel like we need to tell them. Cause it's kind of sad news, but
This is the announcement, I think, y'all. I'm ready for it. Y'all ready? What y'all sorry about? That's what I want to know. What's going on?
it's what's best for us. We're probably not gonna do a house tour.
Okay.
I agree. It ain't safe. It ain't safe out here. I mean, I'm glad that y'all was being cautious and y'all was like protecting your license plate and stuff like that. Cause there's some weird people out here for real. Like, don't do that. We don't need to see your house tour. Like, we'll end up seeing the rooms individually, but you know, you gotta protect your privacy. You got a family.
Just say, because I
My
really.
people already know that. I told them.
I mean, on your Twitch, but
yeah,
our subscribers maybe don't know, but I hate to break it to y'all now, but like we still will like vlog in the house, but
just want some privacy. You know, we've dealt with certain things, like when we moved into this house and the last house, the townhouse, that we just don't want to deal with in this house.
yeah.
So to prevent that, just gonna not do the house tour.
Yeah.
Show you every little thing.
Detail.
Like,
it doesn't mean that we're like, you know, y'all probably won't see it, just a little bit of it, but I'm sure you guys will. That's all I want to say. We're about to watch a movie. So we're about to edit some pictures. All right, guys. We're not ending the vlog.
You just said we was gonna do 3 different things. When you first go, you said we gotta order a bed thing. And
We gotta do a bunch of things.
And then you said now we just gonna watch a movie.
That's my
just
ADD mind.
Just now you said, all right, we about to have the pictures.
Yo, that's
like,
that's a true representation of how my mind really works in like real life. Like I can't help it, but that's a person with ADHD or ADD, whatever. That's me. And
bro, you haven't even been diagnosed.
Yes,
bro.
I have. Like
Where?
a real diagnosis.
Where?
But your therapist has to diagnose you with that, and a doctor. Remember?
That's true. They do. They do. And if y'all got it, that's cool. It's like you just gotta manage it. You know, you gotta take your meds. You gotta, you know, go follow the steps. You know, work with it, work your plan, all that good stuff. Everybody got something. So, you know, all right, join the club.
Yeah, but you also said I had scoliosis, and I don't have it.
I know I got ADHD or ADD. Ooh, I'm just doing this on camera. All right, we're about to chill.
You need to chill, Queen. Let us go if y'all about to do that. About to take that nap. Queen is out of control. Sis, no.
That's 4 different things. That's 4 different things.
We about to do a mixture of all those things. We about to do that, and then we'll see you in a minute or in 7 hours.
7 hours later.
7 hours later.
Currently 12:30, and our power is out. Our power is out, guys. It's like a scary movie right now. I don't know if y'all can see.
You hate when that happens? You know, you can't even sleep well because then all your alarms are going off because the power went off.
But there's like people trying to fix the electricity. Y'all see that? Yeah. It's like a tree down or something. I'm hungry as hell. I was just about to go make something, and now we don't have no power.
Now you gotta think about snacks that ain't got no power source connected to them. But luckily, Claire is the king of snacks. It's just like those Cheetos that Legend got, or the fruit snacks that Queen got. He could find something.
And now the kids are scared and shit. They was just about to go to bed.
It's over for y'all, bro. I'm glad y'all took that nap together earlier, because if y'all was trying to do some late night sneak, the kids up and they scared, forget about it.
We're gonna get some cheeks now. It's over.
You see them outside?
Uh-oh. He ain't getting no cheeks. Now he really upset. Don't snack no cheeks. That ain't right, Claire. I'm with you. That's wrong. Y'all better fix that power.
You naked.
No, I just found panties.
It's the only way you can see you.
Huh?
It's the only way you can see you.
My stomach hurt now. It's like everything's gone bad at once. I gotta fart. Hey, don't do that. I got kissed.
Girl, I know we is not waiting for her to fire. Yeah, Claire.
What?
You ate Taco Bell. That was a bad decision.
You ate it too.
What are y'all doing in the dark?
Some more Gatorade.
I can't see, Legend.
It's getting a little hot in here too. Or
He
is
was
this
gonna
one?
turn the fan on, but he can't. CJ, he was trying to run.
See, that's horrible too, because when you down south, it's hot. You know? Or if you up north, then it get cold. Like you just be going off and you be freezing. So it's one extreme or the other. Unless you live in California, y'all just got perfect weather. I'm hating. I am hating.
Yeah, stay hot.
Why do you look like a little orphan's curled up? Oh.
You scared of the dark heater?
No.
I love CJ's natural hair, by the way. It's so nice.
You ever had sex in a blackout?
No, I haven't. Do you want to?
I would love to.
Can we leave if y'all gonna do that? I am not trying to get yellow marked.
You gotta go to sleep first. You?
What?
Oh, babe, come on. Nothing. I thought something was going on.
No, that's just me.
We didn't end up ordering, so we're doing it now.
Yeah, bro, this nigga literally just texted me that. We out.
Clarence is going out.
Just grab my ticket. I save the bread.
Look at him.
Yeah.
Look at him.
That tavern shit, right? Send me the address though.
You having a boys' night out tonight?
We're gonna see Creed 3.
I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I think I'm actually a little jealous because in this vlog, didn't he said he was gonna take me to the movies? Remember I got excited? But
So dear girl, you wrong, Claire. Don't be dissing her for the fellas when y'all had a movie to go to together. I mean, just cause you know what though, I'm gonna tell you. Come on, Queen, I got you. Come on, girl. He don't want to take you to see Michael B. Jordan and other bodies, you know. So he don't want you looking like, oh, he been working out. Oh, okay. You know, so he just seeing a guy movie so it don't turn into like ooh, she looking too hard at homeboy thing.
what happened was no, let me talk. What happened was I forgot that Momo was not coming, so we couldn't go to the movies because we didn't have a baby. So now he's going to the movies with his boys to see the same movie that we were supposed to see together.
But you act like I planned it. You seen what just happened. Kai called me and said, yo, let's go see Creed 3. I'm like, yeah, we out. I've been wanting to see it.
But I want to see it with you.
You didn't want to see it.
Yes,
You wanted to
Yes,
see
I did.
something. What's the movie you wanted to see?
I want to see Left Behind.
I'll go take you to see that.
Whatever. Anyway.
Creed 3 is a whole different story.
And we watched the first
Have you
one
seen
together.
Creed 2?
Yeah, no, yes.
How you going to see Creed 3 not see Creed 2?
1?
Can you watch Creed 3 without seeing Creed?
Yes. Just like you can see Rockies in different orders. Don't play with me, Claire. I'm on Queen today. I am Team Queen today. You petty fan, we cool. We started out with sunglasses and all, but when you wrong, I'ma tell you. Just say you want to hang out with the fellas. Don't be putting an order of the movies together. She could watch that before you leave. She could watch it on the way there. All right, with Atlanta traffic or wherever y'all at. You know, she could get the whole thing in. She could read the description. She could figure out what happened, and she be ready to go. Cause they're gonna do a flashback anyway. Claire, come on, don't add us. Do not add us. We petty fan. I'm being petty today. She could get the whole description of what happened in the last one because they're going to do a run back. Or remember when he got beat up. Remember when this happened and he won the end. I mean, it's the same story. Homeboy won at the end most likely, right? I don't know. I didn't watch Creed 2. But you can figure it out because they're going to run back what happened. When you got sequels, they're going to tell you what happened.
No, wait.
Have you ever seen the Rocky series? Rocky 1, Rocky 2, Rocky 3,
Creed.
Rocky 4. No, Creed is Rocky. This is what you don't know.
Anywho, whatever. Now you want to make excuses.
Who's Apollo Creed?
Now you want to make...
Who's Apollo
I don't
Creed?
care. Now you want to... It don't matter.
That's what I'm saying. You don't even know.
Okay, now it's changing.
I'll take you to go see Intervention.
It's not Intervention. It's called Left Behind.
Left Behind.
She got to have an intervention. Claire. Now you don't even know what movie you trying to see. Claire, just I just need some fella time. Like we about to go drinking afterwards or something. Like, don't do her, Claire. Just don't. Okay, just bring her back something or something. You know, that ain't right, boo. I love you too much to be like, oh, you know. But when you wrong, I'm just gonna say it, poo. You just you tripping. Just say I need some air. You know, the lights went out. We had our time yesterday, and now I got to go. I got to get some testosterone around here. I need to with the brothers to breathe well. You know, I need some oxygen and stuff. You know, a little bit of space make me miss you more, right?
Anyway, y'all. So, like I said,
Tell her you gonna have a romantic night with her afterwards, right?
before I was really interrupted.
That's not
Rude.
OD coincidence though.
What?
That the movie's called Left Behind, and I'm going to the movies.
And now you leave me.
Petty. Did y'all not understand when I told y'all that Clare is petty fan? He petty and he wrong for this. But bruh, you know, I be rocking with Clare. I really be rocking with Clare. But you is trying Queen right now and you making me tight. Bruh, you making me tight. You got left behind and you gonna have to throw that at her that she get left behind. She ain't left behind. She ain't never alone. Okay? We got you, Queen. You be petty fan today, sis. Okay? You be here with us. Okay? Sorry, not sorry. You can hang out with us. Go ahead, film something else, boo. Clean sign, sis. Do you a makeover day. Do you a kid video or something. You know, we don't need Claire. We do a girls' day, do your nails, do your makeup, take us to the spa, go shopping. I mean, what's up, girl? Call your friends, have a girl video. We good, girl. Bye. Tell him bye.
We didn't order nothing last night, but
That's real bold, girl.
we are doing it now. So
He smiling. He think it's funny. You petty, Claire.
Out in the video though.
the video,
Yo, we're gonna make an Amazon storefront. Yeah, I think it's time. Cause we're Amazonians.
Clarence really likes these. First of all, I turned on the camera because the way he was looking at this video was like he was in love or something. Babe, show them how you looking at the video. Reenact it.
Nah, it's just such an aesthetic. I'm such an aesthetic lover.
Anyway, we're getting these double
Glass bowls, bro.
They did do that though. They got the little music, you know. They got the little sprinkle on the soup and stuff. They got the black background so you could see the shine of the bowls and stuff. They did that.
I come from plastic bowls and you know.
Paper bowls.
And they're double.
Yeah,
they're double walled.
Yeah, so it won't hurt.
So if you get a thing of ramen and you can hold it fresh out the pot, you're not gonna burn your hands.
We also so we're gonna be getting gold utensils because our kitchen has gold touches on it.
2 tongs.
Well, it comes with 2, babe. I can't just get 1 tong. So tong and then
tongs.
tongs. And then I'm getting this this whole set where they have all the they have a little mini strainer.
What made you get this?
What made me get it? But here you go. Well,
I was because you was just saying you want to get rid of these perfect black ones that we got, and then I showed you the video.
Because
and
I'm
now
just saying we're gonna be spending more money. But I mean, hey, if we could do it, then let's just do it. Then we're getting these, and I really like those. And then also a set of measuring cups, measuring spoons. It comes with a whisk, another strainer, and these right here are basically the same thing as the glass bowls, but they're like coffee mugs, so you can put hot stuff in here without having a handle and hold it. We've been wanting these plate bowls or blows or blates, however I don't know pronounce it, but these are really nice, and we thought the matte black was a nice finish because we have some of those touches in our kitchen too. And new silverware. It's a silver we ordered. $45. I don't know, maybe it's worth it. I added this little thing to the cart. This is something that goes on top of an entry table or shelf. And I think instead of just trying to get everything like in one big wad, we get nice little pieces one by one. So I got that. Also, Clarence had the other day, he got this Tom Ford book, whatever, you know, to put on the table, the shelf, or whatever. I don't know where yet. But I'm still trying to figure out if we should even like keep or sell this table. I know we need to sell this because it's really not gonna fit nowhere in the house, or not fit, but it's not gonna go with anything in the house. Even though it's glass, it's just not that kind of thing. But I'm trying to figure out if we should like keep this table or sell it. It is really nice, but like I said, we have a lot of gold finishes, and I really do like this table. And like how I remember when we did the vlog buying this table, I wanted it so bad, but I think now, you see how it extends? I think now I'm to the point where I want like almost like a wooden table, but not actually, not like brown wood, like a very upscale modern, like restoration hardware wood, and like possibly fabric chairs. So that's what we're doing. I really want us to order our bed sooner than later, but Clarence is saying like let's not rush on that because we might get a bed put in the house and then want to get a whole nother bed. But really,
that's how we get. Yeah, that's not how we get.
It is.
How many couches you done ordered? How many? You know what I mean? Like you really like you talk about me a lot, but you like ordering stuff too, and you're picky too. So don't.
Really, I don't like to change my couch. It be you. You be liking to change our stuff up. You do. I be content with our stuff.
Are you?
It ain't just Claire. It ain't just Claire. I love you, Queen. I really do, but it ain't just Claire. You like to do it too. Now, I think, you know, to me, it's nice to have a new start and a different kind of decor kind of thing. But, you know, I can't afford to be changing stuff like that. We're going to find a re-theme somewhere. But I think that they both, you know, are so, you know, they have such good taste that they want, like, just a, like, you know, they always like to experiment on different kind of looks, you know, just like him and his clothes. You know, they're artistic people. Both of them are artistic people. So I think that they need to just take it to another level each time.
Yes.
We bought a rooms to go couch for the living room. You like, nah, not really.
You said you ain't like it.
I didn't like it. I
it
literally put it downstairs.
Like, no, you didn't like it in the living room.
No, that was you, Queen. And then you got a green couch. You got all these kind of things. These things behind me. Look at these things.
And they're nice.
Yeah, they're nice, and we're getting rid of it.
Yeah, because it don't fit nowhere in the house.
But I just feel like we should have never bought it.
Well, what was we gonna do? Have just an empty like house?
You won't even use it.
It's for looks. It's not to use.
Literally, guys, the plastic is still on the inside. Like, it's never been used.
I like that. That's nice, actually.
Which makes it really good to bake, because that's not something that you use. That's something that you just put there.
We've had this for 3 years, guys. Not 2 years, 3 years. This was in the old house, too.
So are we supposed to use that? Do you want to use a glass thing? We're not supposed to. Why are you looking at me like
Because you're supposed what?
No, we're not.
You don't just buy things for look.
You do. It's for, yeah.
Look, we're getting rid of this. We
don't have to get rid of the lamps, the mirror.
We're getting rid of those things.
Yeah, we can get rid of that.
I don't like those things.
Yeah, me neither, to be honest. I bought them. Wait, not anymore.
You don't like them?
Not anymore. I bought those
you bought it
first, like.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Anywho.
It's really women, bro. Women gotta make up their mind.
Excuse me? Who you think watching this channel? Claire. You know, Claire, I think it's time for your movie to start. I'm done with you today. Done. You be sorry, Claire, because I came with you today. No, it ain't just women. It's men. Everybody got different tastes. You know.
No, I'm just a Libra.
Libras gotta make. You got these lions. Gotta make.
What was I gonna say? We want a floating bed. Well, we want a floating bed / a low platform bed / now I'm to the point where I don't even want a headboard. I don't think we should have a headboard.
And why you want a floating bed?
Y'all just got a headboard.
Cause I had to fight for us to get a floating bed.
Babe, chill out. It's 2023. I don't think like that no more.
You want the box spring? I'm like.
No, I wanted the cloud bed.
Like I really be having the.
I wanted the soft
shit.
I wanted the soft frame design bed. He was like,
yeah, he do be putting you on and stuff though. So I don't know. I was tripping on Claire. I got in my feelings. I'm sorry, but
no, I don't like it.
That's a regular bed. Like
we're gonna end up getting a regular bed. I promise you, we're gonna end up getting just a regular bed.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are. Because it's not gonna have anything.
I just told you we're gonna have our bed on the floor.
Wait, show me.
We find a good bed.
Let me show y'all this. This is literally.
I kind of wanted one that like kind of has like room on both sides of the bed.
But look at y'all. It's no headboard. It's literally like so plain. Right, exactly. That's why I said we're gonna end up having a plain bed.
Yes, Queen, but you wanted a box spring or the old kind of like looking things.
No, I'm gonna show y'all what I wanted. Hold on.
How we have now.
No, let me show you. I don't want that. I didn't want that anymore.
Babe, so I didn't have to fight for us to get a low bed. I've been fighting for 2 years to get a low bed. I've been saying, and you're like, no, I don't want to prop down when I go.
I never said that. I didn't want to hit my shin on the corner of the bed.
You said I want to jump up on the bed. I like jumping up on the bed.
I said that probably years ago, Clarence. Years ago.
Yo, you really be lying for the camera, bro.
No, I'm not lying
for the camera. You really be lying for the camera.
I said that years ago. Like, I've been saying that we needed to get a new bed.
You're capping, bro. Like,
I'm not capping.
Tell for real. Tell them the truth, though. You didn't say that like you don't like low beds and you rather jump up on your bed?
I said that probably years ago.
You said, "Oh, we're gonna have back problems getting from a low bed."
I said that years ago, though. I didn't say.
And now you want a low bed, though. Just give me my credit. Why so hard?
I can't do it.
Yo, yes.
I can't give this credit. I'm just.
Yeah.
I'm just playing.
Queen, you ain't came to no return now. I can't save you for this one, sis. You on your own.
I mean, whatever.
Yo.
I already gave you your props in the other video. I said that you good at designing stuff.
Yeah, I'm the interior decorator.
Yeah, so we're not getting an interior designer for the house because he feel like he needs to be the interior designer.
We might, but like for certain rooms though.
Yeah, we're not gonna do the whole entire house, like. But mainly, like, it's gonna be a simplistic thing, so it's not like we need a bunch of trinkets and.
Trinkets. Is this magic?
A whole bunch of things in the house and stuff like that. But oh, let me show you this entry table I really like. I showed them the Tom Ford book.
Alright. You told them who ordered that?
Yes.
See?
Here, high five. Give me a high five. I know you love it. You love your credit. You're annoying.
I also bought this table that we're on right now, and now she wants to sell it.
I already told them that. But because it won't, I want a wood table now.
See what I'm saying, though? Yeah. I've never bought something and then tried to, like, you know?
Yes, you have. Yes, you have.
This is from Modani, right? This is not a cheap table.
Yeah, if we sell it for the same price or a little bit cheaper, we still get our money.
Hey, who's gonna buy a...
Somebody is gonna buy this. This is so nice.
No, it is nice, but how are you gonna get it to them? How are you gonna...
You have
like, this is not a couch.
Like a moving service, or you have them wrap it and they can, trust me, it can happen.
So what table you
trying to pay for shipping?
I want like the restoration hardware type of table, the wood. I want a wood one.
Hey, we're not getting another dining table. I'm putting my foot down, and we're not. Why you just turn on the camera like you?
Because the footage went off. He said if we get a different dining table.
I like the bench. Like
look,
a bench
babe,
bench
look
style.
it.
So we don't have to pay for chairs.
Bruh, I just pulled this up.
Yeah.
Look, and you just always so quick to not agree with me.
No, it don't look bad though.
Honestly.
Because their wood is different. It's not the same.
Yeah.
You just gotta get one of these though. You gotta get
a rug. Hold on. This is what.
This is not what you wanted though. You didn't want a bench though.
Babe, honest to God, before you just came up, honest to God, on my life, on my son, on my kids.
I don't do that.
That's how serious I am. Like, I literally, like, looked this up.
Don't be playing shit on your kids.
Because I'm telling, look.
You could be lying.
I'm not.
But what if you are?
You guys, y'all see what I deal with. He think he the only one that gotta deal with stuff. Like, bro.
Nah, I know.
But anyway, this looks really nice. This is what I mean. Like, if you look at this table, yes, it's nice. But if you look at our house, this is gonna be a lot better, a lot kid friendly. You hate it?
I don't hate it. I don't like this table.
But yeah, you be using hate. Like, hate's a very strong word.
But it's like a very, I don't know.
Someone would love to have this table. This
No, not
table's a
hate.
blessing.
It's not a hate, but I don't like how it's not used.
Anyway, look, you guys.
Yeah, I don't even know what this table does.
We'll
This
probably,
table
I pull it out. I show them already. But look it, I like how it's so friendly to like the kids and like it's easy to clean. Why is this like not moving over?
It's not touchscreen. How you breathing on it? You getting frustrated?
Stop. They got this color in black too.
That's black wood?
Yeah.
Pause.
But to be
That sounded crazy.
But to be honest, I really like this color.
What color is that?
That, look at it. Ain't that nice?
What color is that though?
Driftwood, walnut, and onyx. I literally just said before, y'all witnessed, before he even came over here, I said I want a wood table that was like modern, but not like wood, like this floor. But like, you know.
You said bench style?
Babe, I didn't say bench style, but I did click. This is the one I clicked on. Clarence.
What was you about to do with
Nothing.
that hand?
Nothing.
Look like you wanted to hit me.
You know, today he's getting on my nerves.
What?
I'm also about to start my period too.
Yeah.
No, I am.
So you're getting on my nerves. Because I don't got a period.
Men do have periods. They just have like internal.
No, you're just not used to sober Clarence. You're not used to me being right here to really giving my opinion.
No, I'm used to you always giving your opinion.
But not like this much. Usually I just...
There's
the
an
movies at 7.
entry table. He blowing mine. He going to the movies. Like...
That's the first time I heard you say that.
He's going to the movies. Like, dang. Oh, what you think about this? I really like this. It's simplistic.
What you about to ask for? It look like you about to ask for something. I know that face.
What?
It just look like you about to ask for something. What you about to ask?
Nothing.
Nah, go ahead. It's free country, girl.
Nothing.
What you want?
Nothing.
Yes, he do. He being all adorable over there. Because he don't want to just come out and ask because that's rude. But he's so weird. Give him whatever he wants.
Where's it at? Hey, where's the one that I found? The one that I showed you.
Nah. You just caught him on camera, did you?
No, what did you do?
Bro, this kid just backpedaled and farted.
He always farts. Okay. Entrance.
Bro, you know how to get sturdy, bro? Yes. Get sturdy real quick on camera. Right. Let me see.
On camera?
Yeah, I mean the camera's on. You just get sturdy. I'm just asking to get sturdy. Teach me how to get sturdy, bro. Oh, so you
Trying to act like you shy, CJ. We know you the dancer of the family. He could do it.
and shy. You don't want to do it on camera.
Go ahead, it's 30.
Yo, bro, come on. You're spreading your fart around everywhere. Keep it over there.
I'm doing Clarence on the camera, y'all. It is literally...
It's locked in.
Hold on. It's literally, look, y'all. It is literally...
All right, see, he put his petty shades back on. Okay, you back, Claire. You back. I'm sorry. I was tripping.
Like 3:15 in the morning. He just got back from... He went to the movies earlier. Now, he went to the movies at 7, came back home, got dressed.
At 7, and he went out to eat with the fellas. He got drinks at the bar. He had fun.
So I was taking a nap on the couch. He came back with Mike.
Most definitely got lit. That's all I got to
And
say.
they're both honestly lit right now. It was their friend Chris's birthday, so...
Shout out to Chris. Nah, but you know what it is, though? My nigga Chris really looks out for me. Like, he comes here all the time. He set up my stream.
So yeah, they had to go and support
I'm
him.
allowed to make more money. You know what I mean? Like, shout out to Chris, man. But you
Happy
just
birthday,
lit,
Chris.
though, Chris.
Happy birthday, Chris.
I lit, not Chris, but lit.
Chris needs help out the club.
Chris was lit. That's all.
Oh, can I show or no? Can I just show a sneak peek or no?
Nah, you can't show them. Nah, not the sample. No.
I want to show his.
Some samples.
Clarence got samples back of his clothes, y'all. I'm excited.
I can't show. You can't show them.
Okay, I want.
Y'all. I want to see it, y'all go ahead and y'all look for this next vlog that's gonna have this sneak peek though. I can't wait. I can't buy it. I can afford it, but I want to see it.
The Empire. This is Little Caesar.
Yeah, that's Little Caesars. I'm not gonna lie. Earlier, bro, I hate when they say
Caesar go hard, y'all. People be sleeping on Little Caesar. You know, I'm a piece of kind of sword, if you will. You know, but like, you know, on a real cheap tip, if you need a quick pizza, you don't mind. Like, what you want to do is order ahead or something, but it be good.
their house is always messy. But anyway,
Yeah, judges for this. This is crazy.
but anyway, huh? Y'all funny.
Well, you know I'm lit. You know I'm lit right now. Up the Casamigos. I need 2 of these.
I don't understand why you're in a house with sunglasses on.
Money. I got 2 microwaves.
I mean, cause he petty fan queen. Get your glasses on, sis. I mean, what's up?
No, one just went out and didn't work.
Nah, that won't work too though. Put
No,
your
it
shit
don't.
out.
No, it don't. No, it don't.
It do.
It's that.
I used it the other day.
Okay, bet.
Listen, brother,
Zap
I don't
your
want
stuff.
my pizza being zapped and shit, Toy.
But just
I used it the other day though by accident.
say bye to the vlog, cause I gotta put this in. Both of y'all say bye.
My vlog.
I don't like that bye.
It's a
Clarence.
vlog.
No,
Peace
It's a whole lot of stuff on the way.
All right, like, comment, subscribe, share if you care, click the bell.
Alright, guys.